This exhibit is an AeroBeacon directional code beam model BCB24. This beacon was manufactured by Crouse-Hinds Electric Company in Syracuse, New York. The beacon, or rotating light, in this exhibit was once installed at the Saskatoon Airport Terminal Control Tower. An aerodrome beacon, or rotating beacon, or aeronautical beacon is a beacon installed at an airport aerodrome to indicate its location to aircraft pilots at night. Mounted on top of a towering structure, often a control tower, above other buildings of the airport, it produces flashes similar to that of a lighthouse. Airport and heliport beacons are designed in such ways to make them most effective from 1 to 10 degrees above the horizon. However, they can be seen well above and below this peak spread. This beacon in the exhibit still works. A future restoration project is to retrofit the 120-volt power supply and convert the 1,000-watt Mogul base light bulb to an LED bulb with a 100-watt equivalent normal base to simulate the beacon in operation. The rotating light of a beacon was visible for 24 miles, which is approximately ground distance to the horizon. The old saying, on a clear day you can see for miles and miles and miles. Geometry tells us that the distance of the horizon, the farthest point the eye can see before the Earth curves out beneath our view, depends simply on the height of the observer. A 6-foot-tall person, the horizon is a little more than 3 miles or 5 kilometers away. If you stand atop Mount Everest, which is 29,029 feet or 8,848 meters tall, the horizon would be about 230 miles or 370 kilometers away. Airport lights serve a very important function in airports, particularly at night or in inclement weather. There are many lights within many important functions on airports. This chart depicts colors, symbols, and descriptions of what many runway lights do. Runway threshold lights or end lights can be red and green. Runway edge lights could be yellow and white. Taxiway lights, blue. Or runway threshold lights with unidirectional green. Pilots are expected to know what the lights mean and how to react and where to go to follow them. Well, there are many colored lights on an aircraft. An airport surface has many lights of many colors. However, there are some lights that have very specific functions that are important to aircraft operations. Runway end lights identify the end of a runway. It means that beyond these lights, there is no place to continue aircraft movement. Runway end lights are unidirectional red colored lights. Taxiway lights are blue in color and are installed on taxiways and aprons. Taxiway is a part of the airfield where aircraft is moving after landing to a runway or terminal. Obstruction aviation lights are red in color, omnidirectional, and illuminate airport buildings, obstructions, closed areas, temporarily unavailable areas on the airfield. You will very often see red lights on the tops of buildings near an airfield.